Hello guys, and my name is Dennis, and today I'm gonna go for the long trip on a Tesla Model Y. I'm gonna go to the North Shore Ocean Resort Hotel. It's like six something, 600 something miles from here. Let me add the address here. And it's adjustment to do the 3 stops. One is gonna be in Baltimore, the other one's gonna be in Pittsburgh, and the last one, yeah, it's gonna be somewhere else. Okay, and I have 94% of battery. It's showing me that I have 306 miles. Let's see if it's gonna be true or not. And okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you the trip. I'm gonna show you whatever I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna show you the Superchargers. I'm gonna show you everything. And for the first stop, it showed me in 3 hours 17 minutes. All right, let's go, guys. And let's the long trip begin. And of course, we're gonna stuck in the traffic. Always traffic here on Staten Island. And it's now 9:21 p.m. Awesome! Autopilot stop working in the rain. Actually, in the beginning of the pilot, but the rain is like, ugh. Alright, this is my first supercharging station. Almost complete. It's too dark here. That's the superchargers. I charged, I'm gonna show you later how much I charged here. Yeah, like that. And we're still on the way. Let's go. Alright, the charging is complete. I'm gonna remove it. Hey. Okay. And this supercharger cost me $16.72, May 27, 2022. Let's see how much it cost. It cost 0.44 kilowatt hour. Nice. Okay guys, this is the charger number 2, and over here is also a hotel, the Holiday Inn. We still going to our destination. Still going there. And now it's 2:14 a.m. Let's go. Okay, charging 2 complete. Let me remove the charger. Alright. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how much I charged here. Okay, the large charge was for $9.80. I mean 80 cents, 80 seconds. And the charger station was in Stafford, VA. And We're gonna go next 2 hours 21 minutes, 157 miles to the next Supercharger and the charger location in Halifax. Okay, Supercharger number 4. We're at Petersburg, VA. We're gonna stay here for 25 minutes. And we stuck in the traffic. Where we stuck in the traffic? We're stuck in the traffic over here. Emporia, yeah, Emporia, VA. And it's standstill traffic. I don't know for how long we're gonna be here. I think we're gonna be here like for 20 minutes for sure. I hope not for hours. I hope we're not gonna stay here hours. 5:27 a.m. and we stuck in the traffic. I'm gonna show you how huge is that traffic right now. Look, it's a huge traffic and we're staying here already like for 20 minutes, I think, maybe 30 minutes. And I don't know how long more we're gonna stay here. But it's already sunrise. Yeah, we're gonna meet sunrise here. Yeah, that's how is our long trip going. Huge traffic there. I don't know if you can see, guys, but yeah, the traffic is huge.